Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. Which of the following is the most common cause of primary dysmenorrhea? Primary dysmenorrhea. The correct answer is increased prostaglandin production. Primary dysmenorrhea is typically caused by increased prostaglandin production in the uterus, leading to painful uterine contractions. Sariyana Badil. Question 2. A common long-term complication of pelvic inflammatory disease, PID, is PID. The correct answer is ectopic pregnancy and infertility. PID can lead to scarring and damage to the fallopian tubes, increasing the risk of ectopic pregnancy and infertility. Sariyana Badil. PID. Question 3. Which type of uterine fibroid is located within the uterine wall? The correct answer is intramural fibroid. Intramural fibroids grow within the muscular wall of the uterus, myometrium, and are the most common type. Sariyana Badil. Question 4. The most common type of functional ovarian cyst is a functional ovarian cyst. The correct answer is follicular cyst. Follicular cysts are the most common type of functional ovarian cyst, forming when a follicle fails to rupture and release an egg. Sariyana Badil. Question 5. Which of the following is a characteristic symptom of endometriosis? The correct answer is cyclic pelvic pain, especially during menstruation. Endometriosis is characterized by cyclic pelvic pain, dysmenorrhea, dyspareunia, and infertility, which worsen during menstruation. Sariyana Badil. Question 6. What is the primary diagnostic method for confirming pelvic inflammatory disease, PID? PID? The correct answer is laparoscopy. While PID is often diagnosed clinically, laparoscopy provides a definitive diagnosis by direct visualization of the pelvic organs. Sariyana Badil. PID. Question 7. Which hormone is primarily responsible for the growth of uterine fibroids? The correct answer is estrogen. Estrogen is known to stimulate the growth of uterine fibroids, which often shrink after menopause due to decreased estrogen levels. Sariyana Badil. Question 8. What is the term for the absence of menstruation in a woman of reproductive age? The correct answer is amenorrhea. Amenorrhea refers to the absence of menstruation, which can be primary, never started, or secondary, ceased after starting. Sariyana Badil, amenorrhea. Question 9. An endometrioma is a type of ovarian cyst formed by which of the following? The correct answer is endometrial tissue. An endometrioma, also known as a chocolate cyst, is an ovarian cyst formed when endometrial tissue grows on the ovary. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. According to recent news, Which organization will no longer issue eligibility certificates to doctors seeking teaching posts in routine cases, aiming to promote institutional accountability? The correct answer is National Medical Commission, NMC. The National Medical Commission, NMC, has announced that it will no longer issue eligibility certificates for teaching posts in routine cases, shifting accountability to institutions. Sariyana Badil, NMC. NMC. Question 11. A recent news report mentioned a suspected case of which virus causing a death in Gujarat, with tests awaited? The correct answer is Chandipura virus. A Rajasthan girl died in Gujarat of suspected Chandipura virus, and tests are awaited to confirm the cause. Sariyana Badil. Question 12. According to recent news, the push for massive AI data centers in India, particularly in Andhra Pradesh, raises concerns primarily regarding AI. The correct answer is impact on water and energy resources. News reports highlight concerns that massive AI data centers demand significant water and energy, posing challenges for states like Andhra Pradesh. Sariyana Badil. AI. Question 13. Which class of drugs is commonly used as a first-line treatment for primary dysmenorrhea due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties? Primary dysmenorrhea? The correct answer is nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. NSAIDs inhibit prostaglandin synthesis, effectively reducing uterine contractions and pain associated with primary dysmenorrhea. Sariyana Badil, NSAIDs. NSAIDs. Question 14. Which of the following is a key objective of the National Rural Health Mission, NRHM, in India, particularly concerning women's health? NRHM? The correct answer is reduction of maternal and infant mortality rates. A core objective of NRHM, now part of NHM, is to reduce maternal and infant mortality rates by strengthening primary health care in rural areas. Sariyana Badil. NRHM, NHM. Question 15. Which part of the female reproductive system is responsible for producing eggs and female hormones, estrogen and progesterone? The correct answer is ovary. The ovaries are the primary female reproductive organs, producing ova, eggs, and female sex hormones. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.